So, I broke a skull that I got with Miss Cat, and well, I'm sad about that. And it's a good memory. I want to fix it. I was shooting a video, and I dropped it down my ladder's staircase to my attic. So, got some 5-minute epoxy, and a lab coat and everything.
When you're down, when you're strained, faces come out of the rain. When you're strained, no one remembers your name. When you're strange, when you're strange, when you're strange, people are strange. When you're a stranger, faces look ugly. When you're alone, women seem wicked. When you're unwanted, streets are running.
Now I hold this still for 5 minutes. Oh, I did it. Fixed.
When you're strange, faces
How
come
about that?
out of the rain. When you're strange, no one remembers your name.
I mean,
When you're strange,
it's not brand new, but it's back together, and that's all that really matters. Because, well, now I can keep it. This mask is a little too small for me. Mickey Mouse and Donald Duck on it all, whatnot. So.